Hello dear students, in this particular session we are going to discuss singularity functions, impulse signals. This topic has discussed so clearly, so please continue. Thank you. Singularity function. Singularity function singularity function are the important type of classification for non-periodic signals. Non-periodic signals. They can be used to represent more complicated signals. The unit impulse function, which is sometimes called as delta function, is the basic singularity function. Basic singularity function. All other singularity functions could be obtained by either integrating the impulse function once or twice or by differentiating the unit step or unit ramp signals. Here unit step or unit, now we are using function words, that's why, right? Functions, step function. ठीक है, तो सिंगुलैरिटी फंक्शन क्या है? सिंगुलैरिटी फंक्शन एक तरह का क्लासिफिकेशन है जो कि नॉन पीरियोडिक सिग्नल का होता है. सिंगुलैरिटी फंक्शन कंसिस्ट ऑफ डेल्टा फंक्शन विच इज एक्चुअली नोन एज unit impulse signal. Unit impulse signal is sometimes known as delta function. So unit impulse signal, step signal and unit ramp signal. These are the singularity functions. So unit impulse signal is a basic singularity function, while the unit step signal could be obtained by integrating unit impulse signal, and unit ramp signal could be obtained by integrating unit step signal once or unit impulse signal twice. ठीक है, now we will be discussing how, but for now just consider कि यूनिट इम्पल्स सिग्नल के एक बार इंटीग्रेशन से यूनिट स्टेप सिग्नल आता है और यूनिट स्टेप सिग्नल के एक बार इंटीग्रेशन से यूनिट रैम्प सिग्नल आता है. लाइकवाइज यूनिट रैम्प सिग्नल के एक बार डिफरेंशिएशन से यूनिट स्टेप सिग्नल आता है और यूनिट स्टेप सिग्नल के एक बार डिफरेंशिएशन से यूनिट इम्पल्स सिग्नल आता है. सो दिस इज what is the singularity function. So first we will go with unit step signal, unit impulse, unit impulse function, either function or signal, anything you can consider. I am considering function. Unit impulse function. Unit impulse function is a non-periodic signal with infinite magnitude and zero duration, but with unit area. Delta T is equal to, this is for magnitude, so infinite at t is equal to 0, 0 at t is not equal to 0. This is what unit impulse function is, and integration of delta t with respect to t minus infinite to plus infinite is equal to 1. So, and in representation, graphical representation wise, delta t is like t, this is the infinite, t equal to 0. This is the delta t function. ठीक है, this could be represented like this so that it is showing कि ये infinite तक जा रहा है, infinite. ठीक है, so continuous time domain में unit step function क्या है, is a non periodic signal. ठीक है, it is not repeating itself after a certain period of time, so it is a non periodic signal with infinite magnitude. The magnitude of the unit impulse signal, you can see here, I have not written like 1 or 2 or any other value. It has written as infinite. So the amplitude of the unit impulse function is infinite with 0 duration. This is for this duration.